Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create an intro on iPhone and Android. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, we need to download the video of intro. So tap on the browser, Safari or Chrome, and go to google.com. In the search bar of Google, search for Pixabay. Pixabay, one of the best platforms that you can download videos without copyright. So tap Pixabay, and here we need to create an account in Pixabay. So tap join, and here write your username, for example, then write your email, then write your password, then tap done and tap join. Now we need to confirm our email. So tap here and open a new tab and go to gmail.com and tap confirm your email. Scroll down and confirm your email. Perfect. So now come back to Pixabay and tap here and choose videos. Perfect. Now search for intro, and you can download intro for gaming if you want to create a content for gaming, and you can also for technology, fitness, travel, so anything you want. Well, I'm choose intro gaming like this and tap search, and here we have a lot of videos about gaming. You can use it for free. The something that's beautiful in Pixabay, you can use these videos without copyright. Okay, so let's fix it. So wonderful. I'll download this. So to download the video, tap download and select the high quality and tap download and tap download and wait until finish downloading the video. Perfect. Then tap here, tap download and tap this, and this is the video that we will use it to our intro. Perfect. And then tap here and tap save to files to save it in your iPhone. Then tap save. Perfect. Next, go to App Store or Play Store if you use Android. Tap App Store and tap search and search for CapCut. I already downloaded this app. Tap open and tap new project. Select the video you downloaded, yes, and tap add. Perfect. This is the video as you can see here. Zoom in and select the place that you want to appear your logo. For example, I want to appear here. Perfect. Then add text, click add text, and now write your name for your channel if you use YouTube, or your social media, or the name of your brand. Okay, so for example, I write gaming forever, for example. Perfect. Then tap styles and choose the style of your logo. For example, I'll choose this. Then effects, here you can select effects, example this one, then select animation, scroll down, then scroll down and select zoom in, then increase the timing like this, then tap here, and that's it. Now look. Perfect. Then zoom out, tap on text, and you can delete this. So this is the intro. Perfect. After finish, tap export. And now tap done and come back now to photos and tap photos, and this is our intro. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.